Hi, this is Sharad Kapoor.
Hi, this is Achal Arora, and we are proudly representing Universal Resident North.
We are here to present 17 Railway Crescent, Broadmeadows, which is once in a lifetime opportunity.
Future mixed-use zone, potential to have shops at the bottom and 6-level apartments on the top, next door to Broadmeadows train station and a shopping center, 15 kilometers Melbourne CBD and approximately 8 kilometers to Melbourne Airport.
Broadmeadows, as we all know, is the gateway to the north and one of the 3 proposed transport super hubs which will connect regional passengers to the suburban railway loop.
Don't miss out. We are accepting the tenders, which will be closing on 9th August at 5 p.m. If you got any inquiries, please contact us on the below number and have a great day.